Find the head shape curves every half an inch. Watch this, guys, from one eyeball to the other. If I own that in, look at that. So I'm going to work in increments like that, that hairline. See, now I'm not pulling on that. All I'm doing is organizing it. I'm stabilizing it. I loosen a little bit of that tension where I see it kind of pulling. And I start at the ear, because if I start here, guys, that's the weakest point of this haircut. If I get that in perfect now, nothing else around it's going to jump on me. I'm working smarter and not harder here. Just holding it in place with the comb. Isolate the front. I'm going to get rid of that. So from the crown down to the right behind the ear, the mastoid, I've already established my outline. So this hair right here should not go any shorter. I could actually let a little bit of that drop out for good measure, for safety. And I use that as a guide, and I cut the convex layer. So I'm going to take the side part in. And let's look at what it looks like if you cut it evenly across the top. Look what happens. This side sits all the way down here. This side sits all the way up here. That distance is how much longer this side needs to be than that side, as a guide. So I'm going to isolate the underneath, 90 degrees from the head. That's where we left off. You can see the underneath. And I'm just going to join that onto it. Now, if you're not sure where the crown is at 90, put your mirror here. Turn her around like I have done for you so that you can see exactly where I'm pulling to. So if I continue working the same, I might risk losing this length and outline through the front. So I'm actually going to bring everything back to the apex now. So now when I do that, it's even.